Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yandan. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat held a video conference with Nagaland Chief Minister Nipi Riel to discuss the progress of Jal Jeevan Mission JJM in the state. Shekhawat joined the video conference from the hospital as recently he was tested COVID positive. Secretary, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, and Additional Secretary and Mission Director and other officials of the ministry also attended the meeting. Nagaland plans to provide 100% tap connection to every rural household by 2024. The state was allocated a budget of 56.49 crore rupees for the year 2019-20, but the state could not utilize the full amount. Under the state share, state could spend only 4.67 crore rupees against a mandatory matching state share of 5.65 crore rupees. The allocation for Nagaland has been increased to 114.09 crore rupees in 2020-21 and with opening balance of 32.95 crore. Nagaland has an assured availability of 147.04 crore rupees of central funds for JJM. With matching state share, the state will have 163 crore rupees during 2020-21 for implementing JJM. So far this year, only 2,950 households have been provided tap connections against the target of 1.47 lakh. The Union Minister expressed his concern over the slow progress of work as well as poor fund utilization and urged the state to fast-track the implementation. Chief Minister Rio assured to provide household tap connections to rural households of the state in an expeditious manner. Shekhawat assured his full support to make the state a 100% functional household tap connection state and achieving the goal much ahead of 2024. Prime Minister said Teachers' Day will be celebrated in a few days from now on the 5th of September. He expressed happiness that not only have teachers accepted the challenge posed by COVID-19 pandemic, but have also turned it into an opportunity. The Prime Minister highlighted that national education policy is bringing about a tectonic shift in the nation and teachers will play a significant role in disseminating its benefits to the students. In his 68th episode of Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, Modi said India will celebrate its 75th year of independence in 2022. Modi said that it is imperative that today's generation remains familiar with the heroes of India's freedom struggle. He asked students to research about the freedom struggle in their own districts and areas. The Prime Minister said this period is full of festivals, fairs and religious ceremonies. He said it is heartening to see people celebrating festivals and also observing discipline due to the COVID pandemic. Modi highlighted that Indian festivals are deeply connected with the environment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said a Bharatiya Krishi Kosh is being set up which will have complete information about the crops that are grown in each district and their related nutritional value. Modi said that September will be observed as Nutrition Month in the entire nation. He called for an increased focus on the value of quality nutrition. Modi highlighted the importance of public participation in the nutrition movement. The Prime Minister also noted the role of farmers in the trying times of the corona pandemic. He said sowing of kharif crops has increased by 7% compared to last year in the country. Centre said it will continue to support all initiatives of northeastern states in containing COVID-19. Asserting Centre support to the northeast region, Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla said northeastern states have performed well in containing the situation but still appealed people to be careful. Bhalla said that after consultation, it was learned that parents don't want to send children to schools unless there is a vaccine. He said government would try to open schools and colleges when the situation further improves. However, there are certain relaxations given to school activities in Unlock 4. The Home Secretary mentioned that improvements in economic activities are visible in the country and the whole country needs to cooperate to ensure it. He said that all states confirmed that national highways are open for movement of goods. Bhalla urged people not to panic but follow the health guidelines, including wearing masks and social distancing. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.